Hello, everyone, and welcome to 100 English Collocations for the Modern Workplace, Level 1, the podcast that helps you speak more natural and professional English at work.
I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emma.
In each episode, we'll teach you useful English collocations that professionals use every day in offices, meetings, emails, and conversations at work.
Whether you're preparing for an international job, working with English-speaking clients, or just improving your business English, this podcast is for you.
So let's jump into today's collocations.
Imagine this. Your manager says your project must be finished by Friday at 5 p.m. Now, here's the question. Do you finish the deadline, meet the deadline, or reach the deadline?
The correct expression is meet the deadline. You don't finish or reach a deadline. You meet it when you complete your work on time.
Example, our team worked late to meet the deadline.
All right, next situation. Every morning, you open your computer and see 20 new client messages waiting for you. Do you reply to emails, answer at emails, or write with emails?
The natural expression is reply to emails. You can also say answer emails, but not answer at emails or write with emails.
Example, I need to reply to emails before the meeting starts.
And that's all for today's episode of 100 English Collocations for the Modern Workplace.
Today, you learn 2 essential workplace collocations: meet the deadline and reply to emails.
Try using them in your own sentences today to help them become part of your everyday English.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time for more English collocations for the modern workplace.